to set a custom ringtone on Android and iPhone. One of the easiest ways to personalize your smartphone and make it truly yours is by setting a custom ringtone. Whether you want to hear your favorite song, a unique sound, or a personalized recording every time someone calls, customizing your ringtone can add a touch of personality to your device. Android provides users with flexibility when it comes to customizing various aspects of their devices, including ringtones. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to set a custom ringtone on your Android smartphone. First, ensure that the audio file you want to set as your ringtone is stored on your device. It could be a song, a sound effect, or any audio clip. Then open the Settings app on your Android device. This is usually represented by a gear icon and can be found in the app drawer or by swiping down the notification shade and tapping the gear icon. Now look for the sound or sound and vibration option within the settings menu. The exact location may vary depending on your device and Android version. Find and tap on the phone ringtone or a similar option. You might see a list of pre-installed ringtones. Depending on your device, there may be an option to add a new ringtone. If not, look for an option that allows you to choose a local ringtone. Now navigate to the folder where your custom ringtone is stored and select it. Your chosen audio file will now be set as your default ringtone. While iOS may have a slightly different process, setting a custom ringtone on an iPhone is still a very straightforward task. Here's how to do it. On an iPhone, you can choose from the pre-installed ringtones or create a custom one using GarageBand or other apps. Ensure the audio file is in the M4R format for custom ringtones. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to your computer. Launch iTunes on your computer. If you don't have iTunes, download and install it first. Click on the device icon in the top left corner of the iTunes window and select your iPhone. In the left sidebar, click on Tones under your device. If you don't see this option, ensure that you have the latest version of iTunes. Drag and drop your custom ringtone file in M4R format into the Tones section of iTunes. Click on Sync or Apply to transfer the custom ringtone to your iPhone. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then go to Sounds and Haptics, and then go to Ringtone. Your custom ringtone should now appear in this list, and you can select it as your default ringtone.